Marathon, Florida, Middle Keys is beautiful and our favorite place to dive in the Keys. Before 2017, we would catch our limit of 6 lobsters per diver. There was a limit of 24 lobsters per boat. The lobsters were more plentiful and the reefs were prettier. September the 10th, 2017, Sunday morning, Hurricane Irma came to visit, making landfall as a Category 4 with winds 130 miles per hour on Cujo Key. Marathon is only 31 miles west. The water surge was 9 to 10 feet with waves up to 15 feet. Irma did $50 billion in damages. As a diver, I wanted to know, what did Irma do to our oceans surrounding the Keys? We were blessed that most of the soft corals survived Irma. The staghorn coral was beautiful. Now it is reduced to rubble. A squirrelfish is trying to hide under one of the large coral heads that was toppled over from the strong currents that they are going to have to reattach to the ocean floor with cement or epoxy. There were huge barrel sponges that are now gone. Not all sea fans survived. Everything is still covered in sand. Looks like snow underwater, where it used to be a very colorful, tropical ecosystem. We went back in 2018. 4 of us paid $212 for fishing license. After searching and searching, we caught one and only one lobster. That was the most expensive lobster bisque I have ever eaten. Lobstering before 2007 was like fishing in a barrel. Hopefully they will return. Hurricane Irma devastated Marathon. Above and below, it will take years, if not decades, to recover.